In this video, we're going to learn how to remove Gemini watermark from any photo without losing image quality. Here you see I already created an image or thumbnail for my YouTube video, but it already contains a Gemini watermark. But I have to remove this before publishing this video. So at first, download the image. Then go to this website. Here you have to upload the picture. So I am dragging this picture here. So this is the main picture and here is the watermark, and if you scroll down you will find the picture without watermark. So click on the download button and see this is 8 MB, and let's check the image quality. The image quality is so good. And if you want to upload a new picture, just click on reset and upload the next picture. So this is the video on how to remove Gemini watermark from any photo without losing image quality. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.